Hello students, in human anatomy and physiology we discuss about what is the definitions and the scope of anatomy and physiology. So what is anatomy? Anatomy means the study of the structure of the body, and physiology means the what is the function of the body and how they work. Okay, so let's take an example of the stomach. So what is the anatomy and physiology of the stomach? So first discuss is the anatomy. It is the cardiac. This is the cardiac, the upper portion called fundus. This is body or corpus, antrum and pyrolus. The study of the structure of the stomach, this is the anatomy. Okay, and what is the physiology? What is the function of the stomach and how they work? So stomach secrete the hydrochloric acids or enzyme. Okay, and these break down the complex food material. It contains the protein packs converted into the smaller particle, and the formation of the chyme. So it is the basic physiology and the anatomy of the stomach. So let's go toward the definitions of anatomy and physiology. Definition of the anatomy and physiology. So what is the definition of anatomy? Ana means up and tomy means the process of cutting. Okay, so it is the science of the body structure and the relationship among them. So it is mainly the study of the body structure. It's called as anatomy. It deals with the structure of the body. And physiology means the physio means the nature and logy means the study. Okay, so it is the science of the body function, how the body parts work. So it is the basic definitions of the anatomy and physiology. Next, go toward the scope of the anatomy and physiology. What is the scope of the anatomy and physiology? So first is the anatomy. Okay, so first is embryology. Embryology means the study of the embryo structure. Okay, from the fertilizations to the first 8 week, where the development of embryo. So mainly the study of the structure of the embryo. Next is the developmental biology. Developmental biology means that the study of the structure of the human body from the fertilizations to the death. Okay, so this is the developmental biology. Next is cell biology. Cell biology means the study of the structure of the cell and function also. Next is histology. Histo means tissue and logy means study, where the study of the microscopic tissue is known as the histology. Next is gross anatomy, where the study of the structure of the body parts but without the microscope is known as the gross anatomy. Next, regional anatomy, where the study of the structure of the specific region of the body such as the head, chest, abdomen, etc. Next is systemic anatomy, where the study of the structure of the reproductive system, digestive systems, nervous system, circulatory systems, etc. Next is imaging anatomy, where the study of the internal organs by using such technology such as the MRI, CT scan and X-rays. Next is pathological anatomy, where the structure of the body organs is changes, okay, due to the disease, so is known as the pathological anatomy. Next is the what is the scope of the physiology? First is molecular physiology, the protein and the DNA how work, what is the function, so this is the molecular physiology. Next is neurophysiology. In the nervous system, there are the nerve cells are present, how they work, what is the function, this is the neurophysiology. Next is endocrinology. Endocrinology means that the hormones, what is the function of the hormones and how they work in our body, so this is endocrinology, hormones work in our body. Next is cardiovascular physiology. Cardiac means heart and vascular means blood vessel. What is the function of the heart and blood vessels in our body and how they perform and how they act and what is the work, this is known as the cardiovascular physiology. Immunology. any foreign substances enter in our body and how the immune systems protect our body from these foreign substances. So the study of the immune system is known as the immunology. Next is the respiratory physiology. What is the function of the exchange of the oxygen and the carbon dioxide, how they work? This is the respiratory physiology. Renal physiology, the function of the kidney and the purification process, how they work kidney. So this is the renal physiology. Next is the exercise physiology. Exercise physiology means that where the muscular, where the organ cells or the cells, their function is changes due to the muscular activity. So this is the exercise physiology. And next is last, pathophysiology. Pathophysiology means that the function of the body organs is changes due to the disease or other conditions is known as the pathophysiology.